Hi, it's Brad from EC Connect. Today we'll get together to discuss comments, notes and statuses and what they mean in EAP. So here we're on the client's overview page. What we will see here is a section down the bottom called comments and log. These are notes or comments which are placed by call center staff or automated system processes for informational purposes. A call center staff member might want to track or add what they did to a client, and this also could be required by the service provider in order to track everything that was done. This can also be very helpful for searching and also reporting. So basically we see the section here on the client overview page, comments and log, as well as down the bottom there's add a comment. Here we will select a reason code and a reason type and the outcome. So this is used for reporting. These reason codes do not affect any business processes. Then we can select the status. Here we'll select info, but what you'll notice is there's a couple of statuses that do affect business processes, such as do not send to logistics or send replacement SIM. Here we can also set a date to call back. We can select if it relates to the account level or a particular service. And here we can put in what we did. That then shows here. Lastly, if you are an administrator user, you can see the edit and delete links on the side here. Well, thank you for listening again. If you have any questions, please reach out to the EC Connect team. Thank you.